Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create cookbooks on SideChef, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and after that you have to go to your saved recipes, which is at the bottom of the screen, the third option, and then you can see that plus icon at the top of the screen, new cookbook. Click on that, and then you can create a new cookbook. Let's say that pastas, and then click on the create, and then there is this new pastas cookbook. And then if you search for recipes, and you want to find a good pasta recipe, let's type in pasta penne, and then you can see here a lot of ideas. So if you like one of these recipes, then click on the save to favorites, and then you can move to your cookbook, to the pastas, and then you can see here that this recipe was added to your pastas cookbook. And then in this way you can organize your recipes, and then you will be able to find uh, recipes very easily. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.